Assalamu alaikum. Lincoln thinking. How Allah is asking us, commanding us to make tadabbur. But today, open your eyes, we see the whole world, apart from a few countries that are making tadabbur, whether they know they're making tadabbur in relation to what's happening with our brothers and sisters, not just of Islam, but of all religions, of the genocide that's taking place. Instead of now, for so many years, seeing information and news in silos, the masses are beginning to join the dots. And that is what Heartsea is all about. If anyone is trying to look, where is the connection between Heartsea and what's going on in the world? It's right there, subhanallah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is changing hearts and minds all over the world. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.